Syncom Acquire enables you to put together pricing and quotes for configured products at the precise point in the business cycle. Let's say you work at a bicycle dealership and a returning customer requests that you take the configuration he requested last week for a bike model to be converted into a formalized quote. You can go to Cart, which displays your previously saved configurations, and then select the specific configuration and click Add to Quote. The quote screen appears. Here you can enter some basic information for the quote. Then you can save the changes to your quote. Here you can make any changes to the original product configuration or add a special request if needed. Once your quote is ready and satisfies the customer's needs, you can generate a proposal with Acquire's document generator. Here you would select Proposal. Note that there are user-definable languages available for the documents. Then you can select the content you want included in your overall proposal. And add that content to the quote. Next, you select the document format you want and click Submit. You can view the generated document packet. You can then go to Actions and email the quote and document package to your customer for immediate review. Acquire's quoting process can take minutes instead of weeks, and before long your customers will be approving their quotes and increasing your sales. To learn more about how Syncom Acquire can simplify your complex sales, click one of our other demos on the right.